For reliable installation and future maintenance, follow a clear mechanical chase sizing thumb rule so ducts, pipes, and wiring can be run and serviced without removing finished surfaces. Provide extremely practical sizing guidance. Allow 12 inches to 18 inches of clear chase width for a single service such as a domestic hot water line or a small duct run, and plan 24 inches to 36 inches for combined runs where plumbing, electrical conduit, and ventilation share the same vertical or horizontal space. Measure and dimension chases to accommodate the largest component plus insulation and service clearances. For example, add an extra 2 inches around insulated ductwork and 1 inch for access around rigid piping. Place access panels at least every 10 feet to 15 feet or at any major valve, trap, junction, or change of direction so technicians can inspect, repair, and isolate systems without demolition. Route chases to avoid sharp bends and maintain minimum bend radii for large ducts and conduit so cables and ducts can be pulled and replaced. If a tight bend is unavoidable, provide a removable panel at the bend. For horizontal chases under floor slope, the chase slightly toward a drain or provide a cleanout to prevent standing water and allow condensate management. Always reference actual equipment dimensions and local code clearances when finalizing chase sizes because the thumb rule is a starting point, not a substitute for code compliance. 3 common mistakes are undersizing chases, skipping access panels, and ignoring future upgrade needs. If chases are undersized, people end up cutting finished walls later, so plan wider than the immediate need by at least 20% to allow for changes in equipment and insulation practices. Skipping access panels makes routine service destructive, so include panels every 10 feet to 15 feet and at critical service points to avoid demolition. Ignoring future upgrades leads to costly retrofits, so reserve space for additional lines and use removable framing or modular chase inserts that can be expanded without structural changes. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners and contractors connect around projects like chase planning, and our site includes a discussion community where users share practical field tips and real-world measurements. We help homeowners find local contractors, and we help contractors find work by making it easy to post projects and discuss solutions with peers and clients.